Positive affirmation is a helpful tool when we're building our self-confidence. We encourage kids to look at themselves as a whole rather than the sum of their parts. There are several different kinds of affirmation. The kind that says, am I worthy, or can I do this? Although I believe that every single human being is worthy of love and respect and freedom, most people find that they need their affirmations to be based in evidence, in proof, in the truth. We can reinforce our children's self-talk by looking at their reality. Truthful affirmations call for evidence in what we experience and what we've accomplished and the relationships we've had. We show kids how to use this skill in a Casey's lesson called I Am. I Am looks at the complexity of our lives. We are both organized and disorganized, successful and unsuccessful. If our confidence relies on our wins, then our losses will challenge our sense of self. Help your children create realistic affirmations by challenging them to list their strengths and their weaknesses. Help them look at where they're skilled and where they're unskilled. Focus on both happy relationships and the unhappy ones. Once they see themselves as a whole person, rather than the sum of their disappointments or their successes even, then they can use this skill when they need it most. They might say something like, I am Saul. I am doing the best I can and my best is good enough. I recommend that they practice it on a daily basis so that when they need it most, when they need that self-pep talk, they have those affirmations available to them.